Hello guys, today we are going to attend a workshop in our institute. There are three. Tamo sign kaina ne? Tini sign kaina? Out of three CHU training center, one is IGM, another is TCN College of Nursing, and another is in Gumoti. So today let's see the TCN.
You say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every.
So here we got a pre-test page. So now we are going to fill up this question answer about workshop. Tamo. Fill up koi ra koi jama dita? Fill up koi share koi disumbrasi jorumta. This is a classroom of CHU. You can see pretest is finished. It's just a hectic math. I don't know the exact answer. After workshop, again we have to give post test. I don't know how many will be the correct answer out of 20. Let's see.
As they were a year ago, but all be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
After a few minutes, the teaching session will be start. So preparing for the teaching session.
Participants are requested to take their seat.
After the teaching session, there will be the post test again to evaluate our knowledge. Keep watching, guys.
Seeking opportunity to utilize extensive experience in teaching, administration and research, and uplift the standard of education and research with special reference to India. She contributed to capacity building and professional efficiency.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time.
Internet, even a small child will say, Internet se mil jayega. What does the child know about what is internet? Now let us see what is this internet. It is simply a network of computers which are linked to each other. Analysis of everything. And even children these days have lost the habit of looking at the dictionary. They don't even know how to look at the dictionary. We were taught how to look at the dictionary, what is Oxford dictionary, what is Chambers dictionary. Now you Google it and you find it. Within seconds you get the answer. But that answer, if I ask you 5 minutes later, you will not answer. You will not remember because overlapping of the knowledge. Okay, so we can see how dangerous.
Now is the lunch time from 1 to 2 p.m. So let's go and have the lunch.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and go all in. I'll bet.
Angie, say something. You got lunch.
I got lunch. I don't know what will be inside.
Where will go? Come from.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
They have provided us good lunch. Let's see what is there inside. Oh, chutney, fry, salad, and here is chicken, dal.
Way back a year ago, I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Brother and sister, for organizing wonderful workshop and giving us opportunity to participate in the workshop. Special thanks for providing us special lunch, pen, copy, clear bag, and certificate.
Level between they want help there. What is the theme of our TCN World Health Day? You know? Our planet,
Our health.
for safety of the planet. We should think about
Postage.
candidates. Your time start now.
Lack of leadership and technologies. 11. Community health care provider in sub-center level is community health officer. Example of quality improvement in sector is 13 number kunta go? B. 18 component of a comprehensive quality improvement program. Standard performance measure. B. 19. How to calculate the better health coverage and quality improvement in health status.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
Director,
Things
measure,
are not the same
no.
as they were
Define,
a year
measure,
ago.
analyze,
But all will be
improvement and
okay.
control.
I move on each and every day.
I have done
The
4
past is where it
stays
stays. Way
out of
back
20.
a
Let's see
year
how much I
ago.
get.
I've changed for the better this time.
Hey, complete. 4 stages complete. Everyone is busy in writing posters. You can see. She is topper of the class.
Things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So now here we are for activity session. We will be doing it by dividing 2 groups. Okay, right side of the people will be A group and left side of the people will be I will show you the question and I will give you 10 minutes of time. You will discuss and after 10 minutes I will ask you the question one by one. You can tell me. Okay? After that we will discuss the
One by
question.
one.
Okay? So for group A, right side people, right side participants, please see the question. Question is, Mr. Ramachandran Das, 64 years age, was admitted in the medicine ward of government hospital with the diagnosis of brain tumor. Due to lack of facilities, the health worker wants to take appointment of a specialist. Okay. So, first question is, as a nurse, how you will take appointment of the specialist through global networking? Second question is, how does nurse will be profitable with computer networking?
Group A, who will give the answer?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
তার নাম কি গো?
Sushrita Dotto from the INS, MSc Nursing student. I am from the group A, and I think that can be nurses can take appointment by the telemedicine through the global network. They can connect with the specialist, and this will help the nurses by taking the less time in specialist here. Then we can re-diagnose the patient whether the diagnosis is correct or not, and then it will take the less time for taking the consent or appointment from the doctor. This is all. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, group.
Okay, so nice attempt. So from group B, can anyone come and tell the answer?
Good afternoon everyone, I am from INS first year nursing. So my answer will be record all the complaints first, plan all the treatment or actions according to the priority or the needs, then execute all the plans to the right and priority areas, then try to monitor for some time. After that, check the outcomes or the evaluations. If the positive points or outcomes will come, then we continue with the plan. If
One
the
MSc
negative
first year
points come,
Very nice attempt.
আগে থেকে
So now we will see the answer of first question.
Things are not the same.
Told that it is telemedicine. Okay, so the answer is telemedicine only. So we will see how that conducting the process of telemedicine. Okay. So the answer will be
Way back a year ago.
See you in the next video. If you like it, please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new.